Welcome, radiant souls, to a transformative journey, a sacred odyssey that calls out to the deepest parts of your being. You are the chosen ones, and your presence here is no coincidence. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, has guided you to this moment. It is time to embrace your divine path, to awaken to the grandeur of your soul's purpose. Imagine standing at the threshold of a new awakening, where every step you take is illuminated by the light of divine guidance. This is your moment, your time to rise and claim the spiritual legacy that is uniquely yours. Feel the energy coursing through you as you prepare to embark on a journey that will reveal the sacred truths of your existence. In this sacred space, we gather as a community of seekers, united by our shared desire to awaken to our highest potential. Together, we will explore the mysteries of the universe, delve into the depths of our souls, and uncover the gifts that lie dormant within us. As you open your heart to these truths, remember that you are not alone. We are a collective force, a tapestry of light weaving together to create a brighter world. Comment 77 below to strengthen our spiritual connection and affirm your readiness to embrace this path. Prepare to embark on an extraordinary journey, chosen ones, where the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary, and where your soul's purpose becomes the guiding star on your celestial journey. Let us begin. What I'm about to reveal will change everything you thought you knew about your life's purpose. If you're seeing this video, it's no coincidence. The universe has been trying to tell you something profound, something life-altering. Are you listening? Can you feel the whispers of the cosmos calling out to you? This is your awakening call. In the quiet moments, have you ever felt an inexplicable stirring within your soul? A nudge, a whisper that there is more to this life than meets the eye. These are the signs, the synchronicities that signal the emergence of your spiritual awakening. The universe, in its mysterious and wondrous ways, is communicating with you, urging you to pay attention. Picture this: random numbers appearing with uncanny regularity, dreams that feel more real than reality, encounters with strangers who deliver messages you didn't know you needed. These are not mere coincidences. They are the universe's gentle prods, guiding you to awaken to your true essence. Feel the energy shift as you open your heart to these messages. You may notice a heightened sense of awareness, a deeper connection to the world around you. Colors may seem more vibrant, your intuition sharper, and your empathy more profound. This is your soul's way of aligning with the universe's frequency. Embrace these signs with an open heart and a curious mind. They are the universe's love notes to you, reminders of your innate divinity and the unique path you are meant to walk. As you listen, you will begin to uncover the layers of your soul's purpose, revealing the gifts that have been waiting patiently to be discovered. Allow yourself to be vulnerable in this process. It is in vulnerability that you find strength, and in openness that clarity emerges. Trust that every sign, every whisper is a step towards your highest self, a self that is connected, empowered, and illuminated by the light of the divine. Comment 77 below if you feel the universe speaking to you. Together, we form a sacred bond, a collective consciousness that amplifies the power of our individual awakenings. Let this be the moment you choose to listen, to acknowledge the call, and to embark on a journey of spiritual discovery. As you journey deeper into this awakening, remember that it is a process, not a destination. Each day, each moment brings new insights and revelations. Be gentle with yourself and allow the unfolding to happen organically. The awakening call is a blessing, an invitation to live a life of purpose, fulfillment, and divine connection. Embrace it, honor it, and let it guide you to the truth of who you are. You are the chosen ones, and your awakening is a gift to the world. Answer the call. The universe is waiting. In the tapestry of existence, each of us is woven with threads of unique gifts and talents, waiting to be unraveled and shared with the world. Embracing your divine essence means recognizing the brilliance that resides within you and allowing it to radiate outwards like a beacon of light in the darkness. Take a moment to reflect on the gifts that make you who you are. Are you a compassionate listener, a creative visionary, a healer of hearts, or a bringer of joy? Whatever your unique talents may be, know that they are not accidents of fate but purposeful expressions of your soul's essence. Shine your light brightly, chosen ones, for the world is in need of your luminous presence. Embrace your gifts with gratitude and humility, knowing that they are meant to uplift, inspire, and transform the lives of those around you. As you share your light with others, you create a ripple effect of positivity and love that reverberates far beyond what you can imagine. Do not shy away from your brilliance or dim your light to fit in with the crowd. Your uniqueness is your strength, your power, and your contribution to the symphony of existence. Be bold, be fearless, and be unapologetically yourself. The world needs your light now more than ever. Celebrate your gifts, honor your talents, and step into the fullness of who you are meant to be. As you shine brightly, you give others permission to do the same. Together, we illuminate the path of awakening and inspire others to embrace their divine essence. Let your light shine, chosen ones, and watch as the world transforms in its glow. Doubt is a shadow that looms over the path of spiritual awakening, whispering words of fear and uncertainty into the ears of the seeker. But know this, dear chosen ones, doubt is not the truth of who you are. It is merely a test of faith, a challenge to be overcome on your journey towards divine realization. When doubt creeps in, remember the whispers of the universe that guided you here. Recall the signs, the synchronicities, the moments of clarity that affirmed your awakening call. Trust in the divine orchestration of your life, knowing that every step, every stumble, is part of a greater plan beyond your comprehension. Courage is not the absence of doubt, but the willingness to move forward despite it. Embrace your doubts with compassion, understanding that they are merely shadows cast by the light of your soul's brilliance. Allow faith to be your guiding star, illuminating the path ahead with each step you take. In moments of uncertainty, turn inward to the stillness of your heart. Listen to the whispers of your intuition, the gentle nudges of your soul, guiding you towards the truth that lies within. Trust in the wisdom of your divine essence, knowing that you are always supported, always guided, always loved. Release the grip of doubt that holds you back and step boldly into the unknown, for it is in the unknown that miracles unfold. Embrace the challenges as opportunities for growth, the setbacks as lessons in resilience, and the doubts as reminders of your inner strength. Trust in your divine journey, chosen ones, for the universe is conspiring in your favor. With faith as your compass and courage as your companion, you will navigate through the darkness and emerge into the light of your true self. Doubt may linger, but it will never define you. You are destined for greatness, boundless in your potential and limitless in your capacity to shine. Within the depths of your being lies a sacred gift, a compass that guides you with unerring precision through the twists and turns of life's journey. This gift is your intuition, the voice of your soul, the whisper of the divine that speaks to you in moments of stillness and silence. Listen closely, chosen ones, for your intuition is the bridge between the physical and the spiritual, the conscious and the subconscious. It is the language of the universe, the wisdom of your higher self, the knowing that transcends logic and reason. Trust in its guidance, for it will lead you to the truth that resonates with your soul. In a world filled with noise and distractions, your intuition is the quiet voice that speaks the loudest. It may come as a gut feeling, a sudden knowing, a flash of insight that illuminates the path ahead. Pay attention to these whispers, for they are the keys to unlocking the mysteries of your existence. To harness the power of intuition, you must first cultivate a deep sense of inner listening. Quiet the chatter of the mind, still the restlessness of the heart, and create space for the voice of your soul to emerge. In this sacred silence, you will find clarity, peace, and the answers you seek. Trust in your intuition, for it is the compass that will guide you towards your highest good. When faced with choices, listen to the whispers of your inner knowing, the wisdom that transcends time and space. Follow its guidance with faith and surrender, knowing that it will never lead you astray. As you align with your intuition, you align with the universe's divine plan for you. You become a co-creator of your reality, a conscious being walking in harmony with the cosmic dance of existence. Embrace the power of your intuition, chosen ones, and let it be your guiding light on the path of awakening. In the stillness of your soul, in the depths of your being, lies the infinite wisdom of the universe. Trust in your intuition, honor its guidance, and watch as miracles unfold in your life. You are guided, you are supported, you are loved. Listen to the whispers of your soul, for they carry the secrets of the cosmos within them. As you walk the path of spiritual awakening, remember that you are not alone. In the tapestry of existence, we are all connected, bound by the threads of love, light, and divine purpose. Building a sacred community of like-minded souls is essential on this journey, for we are stronger together than we could ever be alone. Reach out to those who resonate with your truth, who uplift your spirit, and who support your growth. Surround yourself with those who see the beauty in your uniqueness, who encourage your authenticity, and who walk alongside you in solidarity. Together, we form a web of light that stretches across the cosmos, anchoring us in the collective wisdom of the universe. In this sacred community, we find strength in vulnerability, courage in unity, and love in acceptance. We become mirrors for each other, reflecting back the divine essence that resides within us all. As we share our stories, our struggles, and our triumphs, we realize that we are not separate beings, but interconnected souls on a shared journey of awakening. Embrace the power of community, chosen ones, for it is in the coming together that we find our truest selves. Support one another, uplift one another, and celebrate each other's victories as if they were your own. In this sacred space of unity, we amplify the light within us, creating a ripple effect of love that reverberates throughout the cosmos. Remember, dear ones, that the path of spiritual awakening is not meant to be walked alone. Together, we rise, we shine, and we inspire the world with our collective light. Let us continue to build this sacred community, to nurture it with love and compassion, and to be beacons of hope for all who seek the truth of their divine essence. We are stronger together, chosen ones, and together we will illuminate the path for others to follow. As you embrace your divine path and connect with your sacred community, the time has come to manifest your dreams and co-create with the universe. You are a powerful being, a co-creator of your reality, and your thoughts, intentions, and actions hold the key to unlocking the abundance that awaits you. Visualize your dreams with clarity and intention, feeling the emotions of joy, gratitude, and fulfillment as if they were already manifested. Trust in the universe's infinite wisdom and abundance, knowing that your desires are in alignment with the highest good of all. Allow yourself to dream big, to believe in the magic of manifestation, and to surrender to the flow of divine timing. Take inspired action towards your dreams, following the guidance of your intuition and the wisdom of your heart. Trust that every step you take is bringing you closer to the reality you envision, and have faith that the universe is conspiring in your favor. Stay open to receiving blessings in unexpected ways and be grateful for the miracles that unfold along your journey. Co-create with the universe, chosen ones, as you align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with the divine plan for your life. You are a vessel of light, a channel of love, and a beacon of hope for all who witness your journey. Embrace the power of manifestation, knowing that you have the ability to shape your reality and create a life that is filled with purpose, passion, and joy. As you manifest your dreams, remember to stay grounded in gratitude, humility, and service to others. The gifts you receive are meant to be shared with the world, inspiring others to awaken to their own divine potential. Be a living example of abundance, generosity, and love, and watch as your dreams manifest in ways beyond your wildest imagination. As we come to the end of this transformative journey, reflect on the spiritual legacy you are creating for yourself and for the world. Your awakening, your unique gifts, your courage to overcome doubts, your trust in intuition, your sacred community, and your ability to manifest dreams all contribute to a legacy of love, light, and inspiration that will ripple through eternity. Remember, chosen ones, that you are here for a reason. Your presence on this earth is no accident, but a divine gift to humanity. Your journey of awakening is not just for yourself, but for all who are touched by your light, your wisdom, and your love. Your spiritual legacy is a beacon of hope for those who are lost, a guiding star for those who seek truth, and a testament to the power of the human spirit. Inspire the world with your authenticity, your vulnerability, and your unwavering commitment to growth. Be a voice of compassion, a hand of kindness, and a heart of love in a world that desperately needs it. Share your story, share your light, and share your gifts with generosity and grace, knowing that you are making a difference in ways that transcend time and space. As you continue on your spiritual journey, remember to like, comment, and share this video with others who may benefit from its message. Spread the light, spread the love, and spread the inspiration to all who are seeking hope, purpose, and transformation. Together, we can create a world filled with compassion, connection, and conscious evolution. Thank you, chosen ones, for embarking on this sacred odyssey with me. May your spiritual legacy be a testament to the infinite possibilities that exist within you. Shine brightly, live boldly, and inspire the world with your divine essence. The universe is waiting for you to awaken, to transform, and to illuminate the path for others to follow. Embrace your spiritual legacy, chosen ones, and let your light shine for all to see.